Hello, I'm Shaunna. I'm passionate about pages, and we've made it to day 8 of 8 kits over 8 days. If you've missed any of the preceding 7 kits, just scroll back through the videos that I've been sharing over the past week to see each of the kits. The reason I'm featuring them is that each of these 8 kits on the 6th of August were in the last chance products category on the Stampin' Up website. I'm passionate about pages, so you can go to passionateaboutpages.com if you don't have a demonstrator and have a look through, and you can place your order and it'll be delivered to your home and you can start playing. You can use some of the ideas I've been sharing over the last week, or you can come along, if you live in Perth, come along to a workshop and bring whichever kit you've purchased, and you'll be able to use my instructions and copy from my pages, and you'll get information about the changes I've made to some of the cutting or placement things, and you'll get a printout of my bonus pages with everything I used. And if you come to my house, you get to use all of the stamps and tools that I used on the layouts. So this one then is called Exploring Nature, and it is just a new arrival in the last chance list. So it is not discounted. It's still $63, which is its retail price, which is great value for all the things you get in it. But it's gone into last chance to let you know that there is no guarantee it's going to stay in the lineup. It's being retired. So if you've been thinking about buying this one, now is a good time to buy this one. So here's layout number 1, which I really loved. I pretty much kept it the same, but I changed the sizing of some of my photos because all squares didn't work. This was my friend Mandy and I, where we were heading off to Las Vegas to a Stampin' Up conference, and we treated ourselves to business class, so we had to record the journey. So I've just changed up a little bit and added an extra photo down here. And then over on this side, kept that arrangement the same, but added another photo here. So nothing about outdoors, nothing about nature. It was inside airports and aeroplanes, but because we were business class, I felt like it was the scenic route. So that's layout number 1. Layout number 2 was a visit to the zoo with my grandchildren, and our zoo had an amazing dinosaur exhibition. I think parts of it are still there, but this area I think is being modified. I can't remember now. But if you live in Perth, check the Perth Zoo out. It always has amazing things. So this was an everyday adventure. These kids go to the zoo all the time. We're all members. We're frequent visitors. But it was nice to record that and, take photos of them interacting with the dinosaurs there. So basically, I kept the background. That's this one. I've got it out of order. Background the same. I kept the same number of photos. Yeah, that's exactly the same. This one I changed because I wanted to have those 2 landscape photos, so I moved things around. As I've said in earlier videos, I don't like covering my photos with lots of the embellishments, so I'll often just move them away from the photos, okay? And then this is my layout number 3, which was this one here. Okay, so again on this page, kept that pretty much the same. Again, took this away from being on the photos, and I do have the journal box here, but I had lots of photos on this one, so I used flip flaps to add in extra photos on that page. And then on this page, again, kept that the same, just pulled things away from the photos and added some extra flip flaps there. So that was my number 3. Then this is what I used with the leftovers. I bought in the Exploring Nature companion stamp and some die cuts along the way here. So a very open layout with lots of photos. And then this one, I used the beautiful leaf stamps, some ribbon that I had in my stash, and I shared the paper leathering technique for that one. And then over here, this is ready for journaling. Today was this, and this. So I loved that that gave me a big amount of space for my story. So this is layout number 5, number 4, number 3, number 2, and number 1. Which one was your favourite? Now, going back through, if you've been watching all of them, I'd also love to know if you have a favourite workshop. So let's have a look at what we've covered. Exploring Nature today. Made with Sweetness was day 7. Day 6 was Currently Loving. Day 5 was Love Story. Day 4 was Beach Time. Day 3, Peaceful Days. Day 2, Memories in Bloom. And day 1, Weekend Adventures. Do you have a favourite kit? And also, are there any of those kits you haven't used before, but now you're heading off to add them to your shopping cart? Let me know in the comments. It's just really good research for me to know what people are interested in and what you might be interested in seeing more of in the future. So if you do like my videos, please be sure to like and follow, and then I'll know what kind of thing to keep making. Thanks for joining in the fun, and I'll speak to you again soon.